There are a few adjustments that affect the timekeeping. If you want, you can look at those. For the first is the end shake of the pallet. For that you just take the pallet stem with a pair of tweezers, like so, and test it out. If it's big and the pallet fork is also not engaging properly with those two pins, like that, I don't know if it can be seen like that, pallet fork is not engaging properly, then you can take the back side of your pair of tweezers, go between those two faces and push in the bridge of the pallet fork like that, and the end shake reduces. That's the first adjustment you can make. As you can see, the movement already started because I reduced the end shake. Now I test the end shake again. It's a bit too much, so I do it the exact opposite way. I push it out slightly for a little bit of end shake, not too much, not too little, like so. They're still left, but it won't be a problem with the engagement with the pallet fork. Second adjustment you can look at is actually when the escape wheel falls off the pin. You can check the position like so, and the distance between the banking pin and the pallet fork on one side. On the other side you can test it again. The pin just fell off, and you can check if the distance between the pallet stem and the banking pin is the same. If it's uneven, for example, that can also happen during transport, if something goes against the balance. So like this, as you can see, the pin will fall off, and there is almost no play, almost no distance between the stem and the banking pin. If I do it on the other side, the pin just fell off. There's a lot of distance. That's uneven distances. You can correct that by just taking your tweezers again, going in between these two pillars, and bend the whole movement slightly upwards, slightly to one side, to the side that you have too little distance, and correct the distances on both sides. This should ensure that the movement has enough play on all sides, and should run a lot better if the distance were uneven on the first place. The last thing you can check for is if the balance is swinging too far out and actually bouncing off on the other side of the pallet fork, like so. If it's too far, then you can actually take these banking pins and bend them open slightly. So this banking pin to the right a bit, this banking pin to the left a bit, and with that you created a little bit more resistance on the regulator, and this will fix bouncing or over banking, as they say, of the balance.